Hey guys, this is Cheryl Robinson from Website Bundle Deals, where we put together the best bundles to handle all of your marketing needs. Listen, I thought it would be really neat and helpful to put together a quick presentation, very quick. So I'm not going to be real long-winded with this, and give you a free guide at the end that you can start using in order to attract people to your business. All right? So I hope you enjoy this presentation. As I said, it's going to be short. We're just going to hit the main points. At the end, you can opt in and get your free guide, and I hope you take it and utilize it. Okay, so you can stop working so hard. I want you to work smarter and not harder. So let's talk about the biggest challenges out there. Biggest challenges that I hear daily is that, hey, I'm not getting people to listen. I have a fantastic product. I offer great services, but no one's listening. The other thing is I'm attracting the wrong people, I guess, to my offer because all I hear is crickets. They're not purchasing. So it's like, how do I attract the right people, which are called targeted people, people who are more likely to purchase once you get them to your point of sale? All right, so let me tell you just a couple of things here, a couple little tips. First thing you want to do is establish yourself. Again, establish yourself as an expert. All right, and what I have for you at the end is going to show you exactly how to do that. That's what we'll be talking about. How do you establish yourself as an expert? It's not as hard as you think. Matter of fact, it's very easy. It's very simple. The second thing is attracting people to you. So instead of you going after people and chasing them or begging them or trying to talk to your family and friends and just not getting the right response, you want to attract people to you. Now, what I have for you is good for those of you who are new in business. It's good for those who have been in business and you're trying to grow your business, you're trying to scale it. So it doesn't matter if you just started or if you've been in business for a while, this system will work either way. But let's first talk about business a little bit before we get into this. The first thing I think is important to realize in business is that it's not easy and you're going to have to hang in there. Okay, you're going to have to stick with it. If you're looking to have a rewarding career, maybe you're looking, to get rid of your 9 to 5. Maybe you want to quit your job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you have children that you need to pay for their education. Maybe you're looking at retiring. Maybe you want to just have the freedom of choice to run your own show. So keep that in mind. As you go through your business daily, make sure you keep that in mind. As a matter of fact, I would suggest even getting a vision board. Get a board where you can just really see and just post pictures and different things, like a car maybe you want or a vacation you would like to go on. Have something in front of you that you can visualize and see that in the end of all this hard work, it's going to be worth it. A lot of what I want to show you though will make it a lot easier. All right, what I have for you, as I said, the gift at the end, your guide is going to walk you through how to make that a lot easier. The second thing is this: realize that business takes discipline, it takes patience, and the willingness to learn. So if you really want to succeed out there, guys, you got to think outside of the box. If what you're doing every single day is not working, it's not yielding you any type of results, then you don't want to keep doing that. What I want you to do is to think outside the box. See, most people are just posting their offer in Facebook and on other social media platforms, and they're confused as to why people are not buying. They're not buying because people don't like to be sold. You don't like to be sold. I don't like to be sold. But guess what? We spend money all the time. So you want to learn these trade secrets of what you should be doing in order to avoid coming off so salesy and spamming people. You don't want to do that. See, people buy from those who they know, people who they like and trust. If you've never heard that before, jot that down. People buy from those who they know, like, and trust. See, so that's why I want you to think outside the box. You don't want to keep doing the same thing over and over again because that's what is known as insanity. It's doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. All right? Now, with that being said, stop focusing again on selling and create a real system. So this is what you're going to learn is how to create a real system. You don't want to use tactics. You don't want to use all of this junk that's out there that's saying, oh, all you need to do is just this one thing. If you spend $1,500, if you spend this amount of money, it's just going to bring people to you and it's just going to make all this money for you. See, if it sounds too good to be true, guess what? It is. What I'm talking about here is working a real system. I'm not talking about a magic potion. I'm not talking about some quick, rich, flashy widget that's going to make it work for you because that doesn't happen. I've been doing this a long time. I've helped a lot of people. It doesn't work like that, right? Instead, what you want to do is to create a solid system that's going to attract people to you. So the goal of a successful business is to get more traffic by building an audience. Again, building an audience. If you have an audience of people, you will never have to worry about making money. If you have an audience, you won't have to ever worry about that again. So the key for you is to learn this system so that you can implement it and you can put it on automation. Okay. And again, it's not any type of little, widget or anything like that. It's a system. All right. And this system is known as attraction marketing. Some people call it magnetic marketing, but the goal of it is to build your list. If you've ever heard of this saying, it's called the money is in the list, then you know what I'm talking about. The money is in the list. If you look at any successful online entrepreneur, they know that. And that's why whenever you're on these different sites, people are asking you for their information. And you give valuable information as a trade for their valuable information. That's how you're able to target people. All right. So instead of you chasing people, as I said, this is a heck of a lot easier than posting and chasing and so forth. It's creating a system to bring people to you. Doesn't that sound great? All right. So I'm going to give you a free guide that's going to teach you exactly how to do this. It's going to show you how to build a list of people who are interested in what you have to offer. This list here is what successful people are using, and it's also what you want to use, right? Success leaves clues. You don't want to do what people are doing and they're failing every single day. You want to do what's effective, what's going to work for you. Okay, this is for people, once again, who are serious. If you're serious about this, trust me, this is how you build a really good foundation for your business. This is how you bring people to you. This is how you're able to get repeat customers, referrals. This is how you're able to close your deals. All right, so let's look at it. So this is the guide here, and as I said, it's loaded, baby. It's loaded. It has everything in here to attract people to you. And when we talk about attracting people to you, it's called a lead magnet, okay? A lead magnet. And it has all these different ways in which to do so. This is what I like about this guide. It's not just one way. It's going to show you different ways to do it so you can tailor it to your personality, okay? It's going to talk about, all type of popular lead magnets. As I said, there's different ones out there. You can select ones that work for you. It's also going to show you how to do this first of all, and then also it's going to show you how to find premium content. That's what I hear people a lot saying, that I don't know how to get content. How do I create it, or how do I find great content? Again, you'll find that here in the guide. It also teaches you about squeeze page secrets to capture email leads. Wow, that's what you want to know. That's what you want to start implementing. It teaches you how to capture email leads using giveaways, guys, using giveaways to build an email list. This thing is very powerful. It's very direct, very easy to understand, and it's going to give you a lot of different ways in which to accomplish your goal here, and that is to get people on your list, be able to build your audience, and be able to close some deals. Right? It also shows you some case studies. Just shows you a lot of stuff. All right. As I said, it's loaded. Also, I want to share with you, once you get the guide, I want to also give you another very valuable offer that's worth over $100. So for those of you that will take action, who are serious about it, if you show me you're serious about it, then I'm going to even give you a bigger offer. So just go ahead, Tell me where to send your information, your free guide, and I will send that out to you, and then we'll take it to the next step, take it to the next level. My goal here from my company is to help you guys out and show you a lot of different things that you could do. So, thank you for watching. God bless and take care.